Hey guys, in this video we will take a look at how you can take a already existing document in another tool and transfer it over to Delibr. And we're also going to look at some of the benefits of doing that. So I think this is going to be awesome actually. I have already Googled a specification document and found a rather complex document. So this is a template that I found. It has an introduction section with some subsections. It has a description section, and then it has some system features with tables and some requirements of external interface. Hopefully none of you guys are using this, by the way. This seems a little bit waterfally, but nonetheless, what I will begin with doing is just selecting it all and then copying that and then moving over to Delibr. While in Delibr, I will click on this button to create a new template, which will open up the template editor. And then I will begin with just writing the name of the template, maybe software spec template, something like that. And then I will create the first bullet. Now, I will copy this all over, and it will just be a list of all of the entries that were in the original document. So at first, it will look rather not much better than it looked in the Google Docs document. But from here, we can quite swiftly actually start to organize this into a more readable approach. So if we look at the document that they had, it was basically an introduction, and then they had subsections like this. And I guess these were all placeholder texts, so they shouldn't be there once you start to write, but it's a good indication of what to write in each section. So already now you can see that this is actually starting to make sense, and now we have the power of the outliner where we can actually start collapsing the entire sections down like this. So then you just keep on doing it like this. I think it was until you get to like this, right? So we had description, and then we had the subsections like this. Something like that. And then, yeah, I'm not going to go into detail and start creating all the placeholder text, but I think it makes sense. Here we have system feature 1, system feature 2, system feature 3. I guess all of those go under system features. And then we have this one that's a sub of the system feature 1. And then we have 2, the same goes there. Yeah, something like this. Actually, for clarity, I would have done the same here, but I will just delete it. So basically what you have now is a document that has all of the information that we looked at before, but in a much clearer structure. And this means that you will be able to work much more organized and structured in this. So this is how it now looks. And to save it, we will just exit this one. Boom. Document. Go here. Software spec template. Open that up. And now we can use this template anytime we want to start speccing out our software. So like that. So obviously it needs a little bit of formatting. It's not one-to-one with Google Docs, and if you're using Dropbox Paper, Notion, there could be some other things that you need to kind of take into consideration when you do it. But I think it's worth it, because once you've done it, you can reuse this template in Delibr, and you will be able to work much more, much smarter than normally. Thank you guys for looking, and have a fantastic day.